So look at what I just scored, a whole bunch of leaves that somebody raked up, and it looks like they hit them with the lawnmower, so they're already slightly broken down. So these are going to be great mulch. They add lots of organic matter to the soil, and they're free. So you do want the yards that looked unkept, so not the ones that are pristine with the green grass, because they probably hit them with some Roundup and fungicides and sprays. You don't really want those because you don't know what chemicals you're going to be getting. But the neglected yards, those are the perfect ones, because I'm using it as mulch. So this area is really sandy. It's pure sand basically, and it's on a slope, so these poor plants get no moisture. The water runs right off, and as you can see, they're showing signs of deficiency right there. It is not happy, so I'm going to add this and it'll be better. I went ahead and put some cardboard down. You can kind of see. So that's going to kill the weeds. Then this is going to suppress them even more. And then if you wanted to, you could hit them up with some actual mulch to make it look pretty. But these are going to be just happy with anything, basically. I'm going to water it after this. The one problem with doing this, besides like the fertilizers and stuff, is sometimes you're going to get some trash or some invasive plants. So always inspect them. This is an air potato plant, and so I don't want this in my yard. But, you know, how can you really pass up free? So here's this area, and it looks so much better. And then while I'm here, actually, so I put these sticks in here so I don't hit this teensy little peanut butter tree with my hose, but also these are great for getting dragonflies attracted to your yard. All right, have a great day gardening, guys.